yeah, inevitably there's a little bit. What the fuck are you guys doing? You guys are insane. Nice. Those guys are fucking crazy. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another vloggy vlog. How's everybody doing on this wonderful Monday? It's let's say 12:46 and I'm going for a little cruise. I am working remotely today and I had to run some errands, so here I am riding from Williamsburg, Brooklyn to Manhattan over Queens Bridge. It's telling me it's gonna take me 13 minutes to get there, but that can't be true. I think it's telling me to take the Lincoln Tunnel, which we will not take. I mean Lincoln Tunnel, Midtown Tunnel. But either way, all that aside, I hope everybody's doing great. I hope everybody had a great weekend. I just came back from a little camping trip, so that was the shit. Either way, most important thing today, one of my viewers, Ellen B, he's turning 83 years old. So I would really love it if everybody in the comments could wish him happy birthday. And I personally would like to wish him happy birthday and really thank him for watching the vloggy vlog. He is from Birmingham, UK, and yeah, happy birthday, brother. Also, he's having a surgery pretty soon. It's pretty serious, so I just want to wish him fast recovery and successful surgery. I'm sure all will be fine. I'm sure all will be okay, but it'd be super awesome if all you guys could send him some love as well. That'd be pretty sweet. Oh, look at all these bikes. So, anywho, we are cruising. We are heading to Manhattan, and I see that there is a cop right over there. Do I dare take in the Midtown Tunnel? I haven't taken the Midtown Tunnel in so damn long. I don't think I've ever taken it, in fact. Do I dare? Or do I just take the Queens Bridge that I know is free 99? Go ahead. You got it, bro. Go ahead, truck. You got it. Look at all these huge buildings coming up. So I'm not even sure. Yeah, the Midtown Tunnel will get me there in 10 minutes. That is true. But I kind of want to enjoy a little bit more than that. But what is happening here? I can't even tell if can't even tell what the traffic pattern is, because people are just straight up confused. Please? Really? Why is everybody why is there so much confusion with driving today? But I guess that's how it is, and you know, in the middle of Monday. Please. Here we go. We're gonna go straight here. Another exciting day on the streets, you know. Can't complain, but I also did not realize that damn thing was telling me to take Lincoln Tunnel. I mean, Midtown Tunnel. No wonder. No wonder it said it was gonna be so quick. But it's okay. It will still be quick. We'll just be quick over Queens Bridge. I can't imagine there being traffic on this day at this time. But it is a work day, so sorry for I'm feeling a little crazy today because I had a super light breakfast and I had a lot of coffee, so I'm obviously a little bit crazed and moving a little bit rapid which is usually prone to trouble and accidents and tickets and whatnot, but you know, I'll go around this person because he's just not trying to go anywhere. Let's get to Queens. Let's get through Queens. We already are in Queens. No? Okay. I don't think that guy wanted to go, and we're in too much of a rush. Come on, buddy. You son of a bitch. You fucking son of a bitch. What are you fucking doing? You're swerving, lady. Go. Nice. I'm aggressive as hell. I'm really sorry. But sometimes you just have to go quick. So it's okay. We're still 15 minutes away. There we go. Yeah, inevitably, there's a little bit. What the fuck are you guys doing? You guys are insane! Nice. Those guys are fucking crazy. Those guys are crazy. That's not something you see every day. That's not something you see every day. Hilarious. No wonder there's traffic. They're holding up traffic. Those kids were crazy. Crazy. But this was a quick fucking rip. Yes. Going to Manhattan in the middle of the day is not so bad. And I see there's some PO up in that boat. Up in that boat. Here we go. This is what we're gonna do. We'll just do this because the Rover obviously don't care about pulling up. What an asshole. Ugh. This freaking guy is barely moving. It's like you're stuck in traffic and you can't even fucking step on the gas. What a dill pickle, but he's also driving a F-150 pickup truck, so, you know, he's obviously a unique individual. A lot of people drive F-150s, and I realize it's a very important vehicle for the United States of America, but this guy kind of fucking sucks. Because look at him. Look how slow he's gonna pull off. And I'm the only one with his turn signal. For somebody who fucking breaks the laws left and right, I'm the only one with the goddamn turn signal. So how about them apples? This guy just fucking blows. Good potato. Good potato. That guy sucks. We'll kind of pull up to the front a little bit. You know? I told you that guy is gonna smell bad. Told you guys that guy was gonna smell bad. And look, we got all these popos. What is happening? Look how much excitement there is here. There's always a lot of excitement. Here we are in Manhattan, in the meat of it. Alan, Ellen, this ride is dedicated specifically to you. And part of me wants to call this vlog for Ellen, but I don't know if it should be a surprise, you know, because I don't want you to know you're gonna be getting a shout out, you know. I want it to be a surprise. But anywho, it's a fun time in Manhattan, I tell you. Fun time. Fun time in the city. Why? Why must there be traffic? Why must there be traffic? Why must there be traffic? Da 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 da. Do 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 do. So, can't really talk about anything constructive in traffic such as this. But it's okay. I'll just get ahead. What the fuck? Go, buddy! People are just so, like I see the street ahead is like damn wide open. Move over, you frick. Can you move over, you stupid person? No, they can't. Hopefully, I saw some popos on the side there. Hopefully they're not gonna walk over to me and say hello. That would be terrible. That would be terribly unacceptable. Yeah, they might come over and just tap me on the shoulder like, "Sir, you're driving like a jerk." I don't know why I'm being so jerky today. This is supposed to be a positive, happy vlog. Sorry, Manhattan brings the worst out of me. But I'm pretty close to the destination, so not too worried. We're gonna get there. We're gonna get there quick. Po to the left, yo. So we're going to go around them just like this. Look at this madness. Look at these madness. I don't know why. Oh, this is happening. Oh, hello. That's not an appropriate outfit to be bicycling in. Oh boy. Oh boy. Look at this person. He's scared. For a taxi driver, I'm surprised. Surprised. Here we go. Here we go. We are gonna take a little right over here. And we made it to the destination. So, besides the couple of freak-out sessions, this was actually a fun ride. This was actually a fun ride. So, apologies for freaking out. But, once again, happy birthday to LB from Birmingham. And I hope the surgery goes well. And thank you so much once again for watching the vlog. And, you know, supporting the vloggy vlog. I can't thank you enough. Thank you. And now I'm gonna park. We'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.